best DP cables ensure stable 144 Hz performance, delivering smooth visuals, reduced lag, reliable signal quality, and optimal gaming or professional display experience. My today's video is about top 5 best EP cables for 144 Hz monitors that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Silkland 54 gigabits per second VESA certified DisplayPort 2.1 cable. The Silkland 16K DisplayPort cable 2.1 stands out as a future-ready solution for gamers and professionals demanding extreme performance. With support for 16K at 60 Hz, 8K at 120 Hz, and 4K up to 240 Hz, it delivers ultra-smooth visuals and exceptional clarity, making it ideal for high refresh rate monitors and competitive gaming. Its massive 54 gigabits per second bandwidth combined with DSC 1.2a and dynamic HDR ensures lifelike colors, deeper contrasts, and fluid motion without lag or compression issues. Audio performance is equally impressive, supporting 7.1 surround sound for immersive gameplay, where every detail, like footsteps, matters. The cable's triple shielding and 28 AWG-10 copper core minimize interference, ensuring stable signal transmission. Durability is another highlight, thanks to its double nylon-braided exterior and gold-plated connectors, which resist wear and prevent signal loss. The ergonomic, latch-free design adds convenience and reduces port damage risks. Compatible with top-tier GPUs and monitors, this cable is a long-term investment for anyone seeking peak display performance. Now our second product is Ublooker 10K 8K DisplayPort 2.1 cable. The Ublooker DisplayPort cable is a high-performance solution designed for users who demand next-level display quality and future-ready connectivity. Supporting up to 54 gigabits per second bandwidth with UHBR and HBR3, it delivers ultra-smooth transmission for demanding setups, including 8K at 60 Hz resolution and 12-bit color depth, ensuring incredibly detailed and vibrant visuals. With advanced HDR support and DSC compression technology, it maintains high-quality output even at extreme resolutions without sacrificing performance. Built for versatility, this DisplayPort cable supports both SST and MST multi-stream transmission, making it suitable for multi-monitor setups and professional workflows. Its backward compatibility with older DisplayPort versions ensures easy integration with existing systems. Engineered under strict industry standards, it is widely applicable across fields like gaming, AI, medical systems, industrial applications, and content creation, proving its reliability beyond consumer use. The inclusion of HDSP encryption support further enhances secure media transmission. Overall, it is a powerful, future-proof cable ideal for high-end visual performance. Our third product is Ivanki 8K DisplayPort Cable 1.4. The Ivanki 8K DisplayPort Cable 1.4 is a VESA-certified premium cable built for gamers and professionals who need stable, high-bandwidth performance. Supporting up to 8K at 60 Hz, 4K at 144 Hz, and 2K at 240 Hz, it delivers sharp visuals and ultra-smooth motion, making it ideal for fast-paced gaming and high-end creative work. With 32.4 gigabits per second HBR3 bandwidth, it ensures consistent data flow, reducing screen tearing, lag, and motion blur for a more responsive experience. Dynamic HDR and HDCP 2.2 enhance contrast, color depth, and detail, especially in dark scenes, giving competitive gamers a visual advantage. Full compatibility with FreeSync and G-Sync further improves fluidity across supported setups. Built with 30 AWG-10 copper, 24K gold-plated connectors, and a braided jacket rated for 28,000 plus bends, it offers excellent durability and long-term stability. The latch-free design also prevents port damage during removal. Overall, it's a reliable, future-proof DisplayPort cable designed for smooth, high-performance visuals and long-lasting durability. Now number 4. Capture 8K DisplayPort Cable 1.4. The VESA Certified DisplayPort Cable 1.4 is a high-performance connectivity solution designed for gamers and professionals who demand ultra-clear visuals and stable transmission. With official VESA certification, it guarantees reliable support for resolutions up to 8K at 60 Hz, 4K at 144 Hz, and 2K at 240 Hz, ensuring smooth and highly detailed output across modern displays. Its 32.4 gigabits per second HBR3 bandwidth delivers fast, stable data transfer, minimizing lag, frame drops, and visual artifacts. This makes it especially effective for competitive gaming, where precision and responsiveness matter. Dynamic HDR enhances contrast and color depth, improving visibility in dark scenes and giving players a tactical advantage in fast-paced FPS titles. Built with advanced shielding and 24K gold-plated connectors, the cable ensures strong signal integrity and long-term durability. Its slimmer, more flexible design compared to standard 30 AWG cables also makes installation easier in tight setups. Wide compatibility with top GPUs and monitors, including RTX and AMD Radeon series, ensures seamless integration. Overall, it's a dependable, future-ready cable for high-end gaming and professional use. And our last choice is Acer 8K DisplayPort Cable 10 feet. The 8K DisplayPort Cable 1.4 is a premium-grade solution built for users who demand uncompromising visual clarity and performance. Supporting up to 8K at 60 Hz, 5K at 240 Hz, and 4K at 144 Hz, it delivers ultra-sharp detail and fluid motion, making it ideal for high-end gaming, creative work, and professional multi-display setups. Dynamic HDR and HD Speed 2.2 further enhance color accuracy, contrast, and content protection for a true cinematic experience. With a 32.4 gigabits per second bandwidth, this cable ensures ultra-fast, stable data transfer, eliminating screen tearing, input lag, and stuttering, critical for competitive esports performance. Its full backward compatibility with earlier DisplayPort versions guarantees easy integration with a wide range of devices. MST multi-stream support enables seamless multi-monitor configurations, improving productivity for designers, programmers, and multitaskers by allowing extended or mirror displays without signal loss. Built with a reinforced nylon braided jacket, aluminum shell, and multi-layer shielding, it offers exceptional durability and EMI resistance. Combined with plug-and-play convenience and wide GPU/monitor compatibility, it's a powerful long-term DisplayPort solution. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.